Plant-based proteins, as the name suggests, are proteins that come from plants. They're packed full of amino acids, they've got rich in vitamins, rich in minerals, rich in enzymes. Now what they do is that they're particularly useful for weight management. They help to keep you fuller, they also help with toning and lean muscle mass. And when you get lean muscle mass, you end up with better fat burning properties as well. And they can also help to boost your immune system. They help with energy production as well. They also have the added benefit, because they're from plants, of being very beneficial for the cardiovascular system. Now, these plant-based proteins come from things like pea, from hemp, from rice protein. They're one supplement that I think you can really add to your diet. You can have them in a smoothie, mid-morning, mid-afternoon. You can have them for breakfast if you like. They're a really good choice to manage weight particularly, and to give your body the extra vitamins and minerals that you may be missing in your diet.